Welcome back, everyone. You're watching Unity Car, where every vehicle is not just a ride, but an emotion. Today, we've brought you a car that looks like it's come straight out of a sci-fi movie, the 2025 DriftSphere. Yes, this is the car that's shaken the entire automobile industry. Just hearing the name makes your heart race, and when it hits the road, time feels like it stands still. The design of the DriftSphere is so hyper-modern that it will leave you speechless at first glance. From the front to the rear, every line and every curve gives it a unique personality. Its shining metal body and flowing LED lights blend so beautifully, it feels like a perfect fusion of a sports car and a spaceship. At Unity Car, we've never seen a vehicle so complete, a perfect mix of style, function, and the future. Step inside, and the cabin of the DriftSphere takes you into a dream. A full digital infotainment system, voice-controlled AI, and a 360-degree sensor view, everything is just a touch away. When Unity Car's team explored the interior, everyone had just one thing to say: this isn't just a car, it's an experience. The seats are ultra-comfortable with cooling ventilation, and the ambient lighting across the cabin turns night drives into celebrations. Now let's talk about the power of the DriftSphere. It's equipped with a high-torque electric motor that rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.2 seconds. Yes, you heard that right, 3.2 seconds. And Unity Car personally tested this performance to verify it. Its special drift mode is built especially for thrill lovers. The moment you switch it on, the car's entire dynamics shift, giving you a drift experience like no other, track-level thrill on regular roads. Unity Car always brings you bold and exciting vehicles, but the DriftSphere has genuinely surprised us. This isn't just an electric car, it's a glimpse into the future, where speed and safety go hand in hand. If you want more videos like this to reach you first, hit that subscribe button for Unity Car, like the video, and tell us in the comments, which feature of the DriftSphere blew your mind the most. We'll be back soon with another explosive ride, only on Unity Car. Until then, stay safe and keep driving, but do it with style.